Zuko likes boxes. He plays in the boxes, sometimes chews them up, making a mess all over the house. He is a troublemaker of the bunch, but he is a good loving kitty. Especially, he loves me. My granddaughter brought him here from Florida. I don't know. I can remember where she found him. And brought him here along with two big dogs. When she moved to the university, she was allowed in her apartment to have only two animals. And I gave her a choice of two cats or two dogs. She had to pick up the dogs. And Zuko remained with me. That doesn't mean that Zuko is not loved here. And my granddaughter, because her university is only an hour and a half away, comes to visit him, and he is excited to see her. And he likes a lot, because I asked my granddaughter to leave one of the t-shirts she wore, and he loves a lot to lay on her t-shirt. But he doesn't allow any other cats to lay on his t-shirt. Well, this was Zuko's short life. See, I called you Luco. You don't mind? You are ignoring me now? You are busy? See, Grandpa brought you a box just for you.